from AllasYummyFood. Welcome to my channel. And I know I'm wearing a chef's jacket, that's right. I just came back from work and I really wanted to share this recipe with you because it was so good. And it's one of my favorite. I'm gonna show you how to make pork stroganoff. Now traditionally it's made with beef, but today I wanted to make a little twist, and this is more of a Latvian twist. It's called kurzemes stroganoff, which is made basically with pork, and the rest of the ingredients are very similar. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of my chef's jacket. I know it's a funny sight, but those of you who follow me on social media probably have seen me before wearing a chef's jacket, as I post a lot on my Insta stories and my Snapchat. And yeah, of course, follow me there if you're not, because you'll be able to see a lot of behind the scenes. And in the meantime, let's get started. Let's make this delicious dish. I hope you tried as well. Let me know what you thought, and yeah, let's get started. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna chop our onions. So peel and cut your onions into quarters. I'm gonna use a food processor, but if you don't have one, you can do this by hand. So just add all of that inside. And then I'm also going to add a lid and blitz everything together until it's nice and chopped. Again, you can do this by hand if you don't have one. This just saves you a lot of time. Then add oil into your pan together with butter and leave it to warm up for a little bit. Next, you want to chop your mushrooms into nice pieces, just like this. You can make them thinner or thicker, it's completely up to you, but I like them quite thick. Then we want to add our pork. So I have done the same thing. I've chopped up my pork into nice thin pieces, and I'm gonna fry this for a few minutes until it gets that nice brown color. You need to make sure your pan is nice and hot. Once it's cooked on one side, you just want to mix it through and cook it on the other side. So just it's kind of got a nice color and it's cooked most of them. Then add your onions and then mix everything together until it is incorporated. And you want to also cook your onion, and you'll start to smell it's going to be so good. Just keep mixing. By the way, guys and girls, I have my recipes on my new website, AllasYummyFood.com. You can go and check it out. You can search for the recipes, and they're also split into different categories over here. And you can select what you like. I've got loads of pictures, and all the recipes are also translated into English and Russian languages. So yeah, really easy to use. Pictures and videos, and it's very shareable too, so feel free to share the recipes with everybody. Now we've been cooking our onions and pork mixture for a while. We want to add salt and pepper, and this is just up to you how much you want to add. And then you want to mix everything together, and you will see that there will be a lot of juice coming out. I've also added some garlic powder. I really love that flavor. Yeah, just mix everything together until it's nice and even. And we've been cooking this for about 10 minutes or so. And now I'm gonna add my mushrooms. So just add them right into the pot. And we're going to cook this for further 10 to 15 minutes until the mushrooms become soft and nice too. You'll see there will be a lot of liquid, but we want to make sure it evaporates. Then you want to add your sour cream and double or heavy cream, and then mix everything together. This will give it nice creaminess and really beautiful texture. I really love stroganoff, and this one is so good. You can also add mustard if you want, or horseradish and paprika. It's completely up to you from now on. This is more of a traditional way how we make it, but again, depending on your taste, you can add more or less or whatever you like. Now we're going to leave this to cook for about 20 minutes, and when it's done, you just want to mix this through one more time, as there will be skin formed on top from the cream, and it's good to go. Look at this beautiful color, meaty, mushroomy, and so creamy. It's one of my favorite dishes ever, and I really hope you try it too. To serve it, I like to serve it in a deep dish together with rice, or you can serve it with noodles, potatoes, mashed potatoes, or you can have it on its own. It's completely up to you. Although it has a lot of sauce, so I do recommend serving it with a carb of your choice. And there you go, guys. Beautiful Kurzemes Stroganoff. Thank you so much for watching. Check out my other videos over here.